going on, everybody? So today we're gonna be installing tire stickers on the Challenger. I kind of got tired of the look of the wheels and tires as it is now. It kind of gave me like a stock vibe. So we're gonna change that with these. So first we're gonna get the wheel off. We're gonna clean it as much as we can, especially on the side where we want the sticker to go. I'm gonna avoid the needle emblem. I'm gonna leave that visible, and I'm gonna put it here and here. I'm gonna be using acetone and a towel, scrubbing it until there's no like brake dust or mildew in here. So this is the side that I've been scrubbing and wiping a couple times already. And after like 20 passes, you still get dirt. So make sure you do it a lot of times until you have nothing showing, or you know, as little as you can show. But just be careful with that, because you know, you want the glue to stick and work like it's supposed to work. All right, don't skip the prepping. That's the most important step. Okay, so here I'm starting to put them on. I'm using the spokes of the wheels as reference, or when I want to put them. So what I'm doing here is putting glue in the back of the letter and then applying pressure for at least 30 seconds. And then I'll move into the next letter. So just take your time and be patient with it. You know, try to do it as clean as you can, because it's going to be worth it. So here I'm getting ready to remove the plastic film that the letters had. And just take your time. If you see that something's like popping out or whatever, you know, go back to it. You're going to have some excess glue on it. So as you can see here, I'm just pushing it towards the outside of the tire, you know, to so it doesn't make like a stain or whatever. But yeah, like I said, just take your time. You know, don't rush it. I'm making this close-up video just so you guys can see how much glue I'm putting and how I'm spreading it throughout the actual sticker. I guess this is just a personal preference on how you want to do it. This is the way I did it. If you guys want to go ahead and do the same way, you guys are more than welcome to. I'm not an expert, but you know, I did what I could. I think it came out pretty good. And yeah, once you have the coverage that you want, just go ahead and apply it. Put some pressure on it. The next clip is just gonna be me doing it on a time lapse on the other side. You know, I didn't want to spend too much time on it, so I just made a little time lapse. This small pieces, or like the T's and the K's with the corners, are tricky. So make sure you get a good amount of glue in there and that you're applying enough pressure so they don't come out. So yep, this is it, and this is how they came out.
Okay, so here it is, the final result of me putting the tire stickers. I really dig them. They're really nice, but you just gotta be careful with the installation. You gotta make sure you clean them all good. And yeah, this is how it's looking now. I don't cover my plate because I'm getting a custom one made, so I don't really care. But yeah, I like it. I like it big time. If you guys made it to the end of this video, make sure you drop a like, comment, and subscribe. The next video that I'm going to be working on is going to be the installation of the side louvers and the rear louvers. So yeah, here it is. I like how it looks. I like the stands on it. The stickers really change the look of the car. Yeah, definitely something that you guys should do if you guys are into this kind of stuff. A lot of people says that it makes the cars look ricey or whatever. I like it. So yep, I'll see you guys later.